Welcome back to my channel. Today we will solve numerical problem based on previous lectures. So start from this first numerical. So first numerical, and we will discuss how to solve some basic and typical numerical based on electrostatics in this lectures. An electric dipole when held at 30 degree with respect to a uniform electric field of 10 power 40 Newton per coulomb experiences a torque of 9 into 10 power minus 26 Newton meter. Then calculate the dipole moment of the dipole. Okay, so first of all, read this question at least twice or thrice and try to point out which numerical values you have got in this sentence. So an electric dipole when held at 30 degree. So this theta is how much? 30 degree. In this numerical we have got theta is equal to 30 degree with respect to a uniform electric field of 10 power 4 Newton per coulomb, which is a electric field. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की वैल्यू यहाँ पे है 10 पावर 4 न्यूटन पर कूलम. Experiences a torque of 9 into 10 power minus 26 Newton meter, which is a torque given by 9 into 10 power minus 26 Newton per meter. And what we have to find in this numerical, calculate the dipole moment of dipole, means dipole moment P, which is a unknown in this numerical. So have you got any relation between these parameter? कोई कैसा relation इन सब के बीच में? Yes, torque which is given by, since we know that torque is equal to P E sin theta. Torque की वैल्यू यहाँ पे है 9 into 10 power minus 26 and dipole moment which is unknown quantity, और electric field की वैल्यू यहाँ पे है 10 power 4 and sin 30 degree. So 9 into 10 power minus 26 P into 10 power 4 और sin 30 की वैल्यू 1 by 2. Cross multiply. So 18 into 10 power minus 26 upon 10 power 4 into is equal to P. So P will be equal to 18 into 10 power minus 26. If we move this 10 power 4 upward, so it will be equal to 10 power minus 30. In scientific notation, it will be equal to 1.8 into 10 power minus 29. What will be the unit of this dipole moment? Coulomb meter. Now come to the second one. An electric dipole of length 2L centimeter is placed with its axis making an angle of 60 degree to a uniform electric field of 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. If it experiences a torque of 8 root 3 Newton meter, calculate the magnitude of charge on the dipole and potential energy of the dipole. Means we have to find two different value in this numerical. पहली वैल्यू जो कैलकुलेट करना है वो कैलकुलेट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चार्ज एंड सेकेंड वन potential energy of the dipole. So first of all, point out all these value which you have got in this sentence. So an electric dipole length 2L is placed with its axis making an angle of 60 degree. So here theta is equal to 60 degree. To a uniform electric field E is given by 10 power 5 Newton per coulomb. If it experiences a torque of 8 root 3 Newton meter, torque 8 root 3 Newton meter. Calculate the magnitude. First part. This one is the first part and this one is second part of this numerical. तो पहला पार्ट हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. कैलकुलेट द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ चार्ज Q which is unknown. and second one potential energy U. Okay, so calculate करते हैं ये first part and then second part. For first part we will use that expression tau is equal to P E sin theta. टाउ की वैल्यू है 8√3. डायपोल मोमेंट अननोन, इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड 10 पावर 5 और साइन थीटा साइन 60 डिग्री, साइन 60. सो 8√3 P इंटू 10 पावर 5 and sin 60 is equal to √3/2. √3 cancel out, cross multiply. 8 into 2 is equal to 5 into 10 power 5. 8 into 2 is equal to P into 10 power 5. 8 into 2 16 is equal to P into 10 power 5. So P dipole moment is equal to 16 into 10 पावर -5. बट मुझे डायपोल मोमेंट की वैल्यू यहाँ पे नहीं कैलकुलेट करनी है, बल्कि मुझे वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है चार्ज ऑन द डायपोल. एंड दिस डायपोल मोमेंट कैन बी रिटन एज चार्ज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय डायपोल लेंथ. ओके, चार्ज multiplied by dipole length is equal to 16 into 10 power -5. Therefore, Q is equal to 16 into 10 power -5 upon 2L. ओके, सो ये वैल्यू हो जाएगी हमारे चार्ज की डायपोल पे. फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट. What is the potential energy of the dipole? So potential energy of dipole in general case is given by PE cos theta. U is equal to PE cos, और थीटा की वैल्यू है यहाँ पे 60 डिग्री. U is equal to PE cos 60 की वैल्यू 1/2. U is equal to dipole moment which is found to be P की वैल्यू है 16 into 10 power -5 multiplied by electric field which is given by 10 power 5 multiplied by 1/2. 8. U is equal to -8, 10 power -5 plus 5. U is equal to -8 into 10 power 0. 10 power 0 means 1. So U is equal to -8. Potential energy, so unit will be joule. Okay. Now come to some conceptual questions. A charge Q of mass M is released in a field E at rest. Then prove that displacement of this body in time t will be this one. ये प्रूव करना है कि उस चार्ज पार्टिकल के थ्रू डिस्प्लेसमेंट उस इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड में q et² / 2m होगा. So how to prove this derivation? A charge q, चार्ज पार्टिकल जिसका मास है m, चार्ज है q, is released in a field E at rest. तो सबसे पहले इसका मास है m, तो इस पे फोर्स अप्लाई होगा वर्टिकली mg, और फोर्स इस पे अप्लाई होगा इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स F, और इस F की वैल्यू होगी E is equal to F upon q. So F will be equal to EQ. So F is equal to EQ. According to Newton's second law of motion, mass can be written as force can be written as mass multiplied by acceleration is equal to E into Q. So A will be equal to E Q upon M. ये acceleration हमने calculate कर लिया कि that charge body will move with acceleration A and A is equal to EQ upon M. And we have to show that displacement traveled by this charge particle will be this one. So how to get displacement? Okay, और एक चीज और इसमें है that object start from rest means इसकी initial velocity यहाँ पे है 0. So we can use second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half a t square. S, which we have to find, initial velocity is 0, 1 by 2 acceleration produced in that charge particle, which is given by E Q by M into t square. So S is equal to Q E t square upon 2m. It's proved.